Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening FaceTime and calling the person you want to share with. This is the only built-in way to share your screen on iPhone. Once the FaceTime call connects, make sure your camera and mic are working. Then tap the Share Content button in the FaceTime controls. Don't pause. Tapping Share Content reveals the Share My Screen option. Choose it to begin the live broadcast. You're initiating the stream and granting the call permission to view your screen in real time. Once you choose Share My Screen, iPhone shows a short countdown and starts a broadcast that others can view via FaceTime Share Play. You can swipe up to home and open any app. Everything visible on screen, including gestures and app audio, is shared. Make sure to manage notifications, enable focus, or do not disturb to avoid interruptions. If you only want to narrate, keep the mic on. If you want purely visual sharing, mute the FaceTime mic. To switch apps, just navigate as normal. To finish, tap the red screen sharing indicator or return to FaceTime and tap Stop Sharing, then end the call to ensure the session closes. If the other person can't see your screen, make sure both devices run compatible iOS versions and that FaceTime permissions aren't restricted in settings. Once done, restart FaceTime or reboot the iPhone if necessary. If privacy is a concern, double-check apps with sensitive content before sharing and use. Do not disturb to prevent unexpected pop-ups during the session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.